The Great Legal Town Showdown. A competition to showcase different types of lawyers. In today's legal lexica, we are going to talk about ways to address a lawyer. Now please listen to a story. It would be advisable that you focus attention to the way we address a lawyer. Once upon a time in the bustling city of Legal Town, there was a grand debate about who among the legal professionals was the best at their job. The mayor of Legal Town decided to host a grand competition to settle the matter once and for all. The contestants included a lawyer, an attorney, a counsel, a counselor, a solicitor, a barrister, an advocate, a legal practitioner, a legal advisor, a litigator, an esquire. The competition was divided into three main events: the advice marathon, the courtroom duel, and the ultimate document drafting. The advice marathon. First up was the advice marathon. The legal advisor, who prided herself on giving the best advice in town, was confident. She sprinted through the course, giving sound advice on everything from contracts to personal injury claims. She was doing well until she hit a tricky section on international maritime law, where she faltered a bit. Next was the solicitor. Used to handling paperwork and client meetings, he cruised through the sections on wills, estates, and property law, but he tripped up on a section involving high-stakes corporate mergers. The advocate, known for his courtroom prowess, stumbled early but managed to pull through with a rousing argument on constitutional law that had the crowd cheering. The courtroom duel. The courtroom duel was where the barrister shone. Wearing his traditional wig and gown, he delivered a masterful performance, outmaneuvering the competition with his cross-examinations and eloquent arguments. The litigator put up a fierce fight, presenting evidence with precision and tearing apart the opposition's case with surgical skill. The courtroom was electrified by his performance, but he was neck and neck with the barrister. The counselor, in his formal suit, presented his case with a calm, reasoned demeanor that won the judges over on several points, but he lacked the dramatic flair of the barrister and the relentless drive of the litigator. The ultimate document drafting. Finally, it was time for the ultimate document drafting. The legal practitioner, who had experience in various fields of law, worked steadily and efficiently, producing clear, concise documents. The attorney, used to the nitty-gritty of legal battles, drafted airtight contracts and ironclad briefs that left no room for loopholes. His meticulous attention to detail impressed everyone. Esquire, with his polished style and formal approach, added a touch of class to his documents, making them not only legally sound but also a pleasure to read. The grand finale. As the events came to a close, the mayor of Legal Town called all the participants to the stage. The lawyer, who had not won any single event but had participated in all, stepped forward. The mayor, with a twinkle in his eye, declared, "Each of you excels in your own domain. The legal advisor gives the best advice, the barrister rules the courtroom, and the attorney drafts impeccable documents. But the lawyer, who encompasses all these roles, is the true champion. For in Legal Town, it's not about being the best at one thing, but being versatile and adaptive." The crowd erupted in applause, and the lawyer, grinning ear to ear, accepted the Golden Gavel trophy. And so, in Legal Town, everyone learned to appreciate the unique skills and contributions of each legal professional, living and working together in harmony and good humor. And from that day forward, whenever anyone asked, "In how many ways do you call a lawyer?" the citizens of Legal Town would smile and say, "In as many ways as it takes to win the grand competition." Thank you for your attention. See you next time at Legal Lexica.